Hello everyone, and for today I have MSI Gaming Windows 10 custom theme for versions RS2 and RS3, Windows 10 creators update and creators file update. Before you apply this or any custom theme for Windows 10, first you need to patch your Windows 10. And how to patch Windows 10, in the description below of this video you will find a link for tutorial how to patch Windows 10 for all versions. Okay, tutorial is made by me, and after you patch your Windows 10, then you can use any custom theme you want. Okay, here is the theme. I will extract the files from the WinRAR and I will go to this folder, and what we have here, we have options to add a classic personalized menu. If you double click, or if you go right click, click merge, click yes again. Okay, uh, you have add a classic personalized option, and if you go right click and here you will get personalized classic, and here you have theme settings same from Windows 7. Okay, and also here you have more options and shortcuts. Okay, you can also remove it, but I will not remove it because it's very useful for me. Okay, we have custom start button. I will apply start button later. You have installation tutorial, and you have also some tips and tools that you need for custom theme, but everything here you can find in my tutorial how to patch Windows 10 for all versions, all in one. Okay, you have MSI logon, and here is the theme. I will copy this and I will go to this PC, local disk C, Windows, resources, themes, and I will paste it here. Okay, then I will go to theme settings, and from here I will apply MSI Gaming. Here we go. Okay, this is the first time that I have applied this theme. Okay, also here, if you don't want to add this classic personalize, you can go to personalize, themes, and also from here select your custom theme. Okay, here is a theme. Looks real cool and really nice. Okay, the desktop background is just amazing. Okay, now I will apply custom start button because this is Windows 10, and if you want to have the start menu from Windows 7, you need to install StartIsBack++, and when you, or if you have StartIsBack, you can go to right click properties, and here in appearance you can actually add custom button, and here is the MSI start orb. I will open this, I will select start button, okay, here we go. I have the custom start button that goes with the theme, and this theme is really amazing. Look at that, you have custom logos on left side, on right side instead of Windows 10 logo, and the theme is real cool. And now I will run system transparency, and this application will give me glass effect on my Windows 10. You can download system transparency from description below, and when you download it, just double click, and here you will find icon right click, go to setup and info, and here enter the number of transparency, and then select this and this one. Select these 4 boxes, click OK, and you should have the glass effect. Okay, also for custom start icon pack, you can watch my tutorial, and also you can download this custom icon pack from description below. Okay, that was MSI Gaming G series Windows 10 custom theme for RS2 and RS3 versions of Windows 10. Thank you very much for watching this, and see you next time. Bye.